Anyone can solve after preparation, but real skill is solving on the spot. Welcome to Math Solver 1117, where we train real problem solvers. Let's start today's challenge. Olympiad math problem is 5 raised to power x plus 25 raised to power x equals 125 raised to power x. You have to find the value of x. So we will solve this question as, first of all, we will write 5 raised to power x divided by 125 raised to power x plus 25 raised to power x is divided by 125 raised to power x, and 125 raised to power x is divided by 125 raised to power x. Then now we will solve this further as, we can take x as common from this as the whole power. So 5 by 125 whole power is x plus 25 by 125 and whole power is x, and 125 divided by 125 and whole power is x. Now when 5 is divided by 125, we get 1 by 25 and the whole power is x plus 25 5s are, so this will be 1 by 5 and whole power is x equals 1 power x. Now we will make a supposition here as we get this will be equals 125 raised to power x is gone, so both has x, this one and this one, so that's why x and x are also cancel out. Now we will solve this further as, make a supposition like this will become 1 by 5 square, so we can write this as, and this will be 1 by 5 x equals 1. Now let's suppose here, make a supposition here. Let's consider 1 by 5 whole power x equals u. So our equation is u square plus u equals 1. Now we will apply quadratic formula here. U square plus u minus 1 equals 0. Then u equals minus b means minus 1 plus minus b square means 1 minus 4 of a, and c is minus 1 and divided by 2. So we get u equals minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 4 divided by 2. So u equals minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 4 is 5 divided by 2. So we have two possibilities for this. Then first one is, we have u equals minus 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. This is the first supposition. And other is u equals minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. This is the another. Now we will substitute the value of u here, that is 1 by 5 whole power is x equals minus 1 plus root 5 by 2, and this will equals other one for 1 by 5 whole power is x equal minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. Then after this we have to find the value of u. We have to find the value of x. So how we will solve this? We can say that now we will solve this as taking the log on both sides, but this root will be rejected because this is negative. So we will consider only this. So take log on both sides. So x log of 1 by 5 power x equals log of minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. So x is in the start. We have log 1 by 5 and this is log of minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. Now this log 1 by 5 is divided. So x equals log minus 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 is divided by log of 1 by 5. Now we will solve this further here. We have x equals log of root 5 minus 1 divided by 2 and log 1 by 5. So with the help of calculator we will find the value of x, that is log of 0.618 with the help of calculator, and log 1 by 5 is log 0.2. Now calculator will give, when you divide both the values you get x equals 0.299, or approximately this will equals x equals 1. So this is the answer. So we will write this as final answer. So you can see how easily we have solved this problem. If you want to improve your thinking speed, stay with me, subscribe to Math Solver 1117 and grow your maths power. If you found this video helpful, stay tuned. Best of luck for your exam. See you in the next video.